Hey developers, how's it going? In this video, you will be knowing about one of the best free resources to learn Android development. I have also used these resources to learn Android development and I still use them a lot to learn Android development. At the end of the video, there is a bonus tip for you, so stay tuned. The resource is Codelabs by Google. Codelabs provide a guided tutorial, hands-on coding experience. In Codelabs, basically you learn something step by step by building a small application or by adding a new feature to an existing application or by optimizing an application. Codelabs are available to learn many things, but I will only focus on Android development. According to my experience, project-based learning is one of the best way to learn Android development, and due to this I considered Codelabs one of the best resources to learn Android development. For beginners who have just started learning Android development, the Codelab named Android Kotlin Fundamental is for beginners, so they can easily grab the basic concepts of Android development. I will put the links of the Codelab in the description below. In this fundamental code lab, there are 10 lessons, and in each lesson you learn about some feature or library of Android in an efficient and effective way by building a small application. And I can assure you, if you follow this code lab sincerely, then you will be able to convert your ideas into an application. The bonus tip is here for which you guys are waiting. I highly suggest making some projects after every 2 or 3 code labs using what you have learned. This is because it will help you to grasp the concepts more easily and you will not be in a tutorial hell. The projects that you can make after lesson 3 is a quiz application, after lesson 7 a notes application. After lesson 8 you can use the recycler view to display the list of the notes. After lesson 8 you can make a news application. After lesson 9 you can optimize the news application that you have made. These are projects which I suggest you can build, so stay focused and keep learning.